A day after Chief Minister Rekha Gupta was attacked during a public meeting and a man from Gujarat was arrested under attempted murder charges for the assault, the Delhi police has detained one of his friends for questioning from Gujarat. Our sources have informed us 4 more people linked to the accused have been identified and their statements will be recorded to connect the dots in the case. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister has asserted that she will never leave Delhi despite all these unexpected attacks and will continue to fight for the interest of the people. The latest coming in though, the Delhi police have detained one of his friends for questioning from Gujarat. We are told that the accused friend who allegedly transferred him money in Rajkot was detained by a team of personnel from Delhi police with the help from Gujarat police late last night. We are picking up on information that the person who's been arrested is an auto driver who had some money transferring links. Ishika joins us with the latest at the moment. Ishika, a day after the Delhi Chief Minister was attacked, a friend of the accused has now been held while more people are going to be interrogated and their statements recorded?
Well, yes, Parmeshwar, we are seeing that the Delhi police continues with its investigation, and in a major development now, the Delhi police in fact has detained one of the attacker's friend, and this person has been detained from Gujarat's Rajkot. Now, the Delhi police, with the help of Gujarat police, they were able to nab him, and now, the allegation is that this friend, apparently another, rickshaw driver, transferred him money. So why was the money transferred? All of this will be in fact investigated, and also they have, the Delhi police so far has identified 4 more of his friends, and their statements will also be recorded so that, the attacker's version can be verified. Remember, Delhi police sources had told NDTV that the man currently is giving bizarre statement and again stating that he has been a dog lover, and he has done this only because he was very upset with the Supreme Court's ruling and because Chief Minister Rekha Gupta did not listen to his complaints. Now, apart from that, let me tell you that yesterday we saw another tweet from Chief Minister herself. She posted a picture of herself working from, her camp office, and she in fact wrote in that post that now the public hearings will now not just be at her house, but it will be held at each and every constituency in Delhi. She again said that, your Chief Minister at your doorstep. So certainly saying that this attack has not broken her resolve to serve as the Chief Minister of Delhi. So certainly there also we are seeing that Chief Minister today also will be making the very first public appearance, Parmeshwar. Today after the attack, she'll be going to Gandhinagar and she'll be interacting with the traders there. So what is the scene there? That will be something to watch out, because her security has already been tightened, with CRPF personnel also being deployed now for her security. Over to you.
Ishika, thanks so much for joining us with the latest update this morning.